The job today is to drain and refill the transaxle on this 2019 Prius Prime. I'm going to show you how to do the refill without a fluid pump, standing up comfortably instead of lying on your back under the car and trying to pump the oil in from below. Now, normally to refill the transaxle, you would need a pump and be underneath the car and pump the new oil in. But I've discovered that it is possible to do this with a piece of vinyl tubing and a funnel, this rig that you've got right here. Now, I don't know how clearly I can show this, but you need 5 feet of 1/2 inch inside diameter vinyl tubing. You can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot, and you're going to run this tubing down the passenger, it's the passenger side of the car, near the radiator fluid tank. Between that tank and the engine, you're going to run that tube down there, and then the transmission fill plug is on the side of the transaxle where the half axle to the passenger side front wheel comes out. So you're going to run your vinyl tubing down on the passenger side of the car, and it's going to go, just down in that hole, and then it's going to bend over, and eventually you're going to plug it into the transaxle fill hole. It's down under there. You can't really see it from up here, but if you've already crawled under your car to do this job and you've got the fill plug off, you'll see where you plug the hose in. So it's 1/2 inch inside diameter, 5/8 outside diameter, and this funnel, also purchased at Lowe's, plugs very nicely right into this hose. And for heaven's sake, make sure that you've got the drain plug installed again with a new crush washer. The crush washers you can get from Amazon or from your Toyota dealer, and you want a new crush washer on both the drain plug and the fill plug. So pouring the oil in the funnel, that's I'm not going to show that on this video, and that's no big deal. My plan is to pour the first 3 quarts in. They should go in fine, and then I'm going to have my partner very slowly pour in the last quart while I'm under the car watching, and that way I'll be able to tell her to stop pouring when the oil overflows the fill hole. So, at any rate, this is the rig. It's just a funnel from Lowe's. 5 feet of 1/2 inch inside diameter vinyl hose, and you run it down this side of the car on the back side of the engine block, and then it runs very nicely horizontally right over to the fill hole, and it almost is a perfect fit in that fill hole. This hose is 5/8 inch outside diameter, and the hole in the transmission case is just slightly larger than that. So this size vinyl tubing is like as perfect a fit as you could ask for. All right, I'll let you know how it worked out.